In this exercise, we'll use several Studio 3T tools to query the package totals view that you created in the previous exercise. Each query will return the same rows, although not necessarily the same fields. This will give you a sense of the different methods you can use to access data through a view, while demonstrating how the various approaches compare. Let's return to the Package Totals View tab for the customer's collection. The tab should still be open from the previous exercise. In the query form, the top row in the Package Totals View tab, replace the curly braces in the query text box with the following script. The code defines a simple search condition specifying that a document's package value must equal basic for the document to be included in the results. Click the Run Query button to the right of the query text box. This time Studio 3T returns only 2 rows, and as we can see, the package value for each row is basic. Close the Package Totals View tab. In the connection tree, right-click the Package Totals View node, and then select Open SQL. Studio 3T launches SQL Query in its own tab. At the SQL Query command prompt, replace the existing code with the following select statement. The statement returns the prior support and transactions fields from the Package Totals view, but it limits the results to those documents whose package value is basic. Press F5 or hit the Run button to run the SQL query. Studio 3T should now return the same 2 rows as the previous query, but without the package field. Close the SQL tab. If prompted to save your changes, click No. Back in the connection tree, let's right-click the Package Totals View node and then select Open IntelliShell. Studio 3T launches IntelliShell in its own tab. At the IntelliShell command prompt, replace the existing code with the following find statement. As with the previous select statement, the find statement returns the prior support and transactions fields from the Package Totals view, while limiting the results to those documents whose package value is basic. Run the find statement. Studio 3T should return the same 2 rows as before. Close the IntelliShell tab. If prompted to save your changes, click No, Discard. Leave Studio 3T open for the next exercise.